Hi and welcome to the inside out view on my channel, where I'm going to share a little bit of the projects that as I'm going through them. There will be more detailed versions of these videos to deep dive in, but I wanted to introduce you to my latest project, or the project that I think I'm going to build anyway, which is an Astro Droid, and it's based on sort of R2-D2 from Star Wars, but it's reimagined because I want it to actually be a ROS2 device and have LiDAR and to navigate and to be more of a true robot rather than just a remote controlled device. So that's what I'm going to work on. And it's based on a lot of the stuff I've done before on DDD, my DIY dev droid, if you've seen any of the videos I've got on him. So this is how I'm working on it. I started out working on a concept in Blender. I wanted a concept because I wanted to understand how big this is going to be and how reasonable it's going to be. Will it actually fit in my environment? Will it work with the components I'm thinking I'm actually going to use? And that's really important. So it's going to be half size first. I found out that really a full size version is just too big to be viable in my environment. So it's going to be half size. And I wanted to use the wheels that I previously used for DDD. Here we go. They're about 130 millimeters diameter. So they're quite big, quite chunky wheels. Were these the right size to fit on this new robot? Well, I modelled them up in Blender and I can actually see, yeah, they are actually the right size. The other bit that really worried me a bit here is actually how a Astro Droid is structured, because instead of having some base plate with all those wheels connected to it, there are only three, everything actually from a connection point of view and stress point of view is going through the shoulder. And even looking at this initial model, I could see how that might work and what that might look like. And also I have a worry about actually what is the angle, how much space do I want between the front wheel and the back wheel? How is that going to be spaced? I've put that relatively tight. I could have made that a lot more laid back, and some models have definitely got it a lot more laid back, but I wanted it relatively tight so he's not taking up too much room. He's got a relatively tight turning circle. So that's what I've been trying to play with and work on. So stay tuned, I'll tell you a bit more in the next video.